I'm going to show you the final product of this massive wall we did.
This is one of our projects we've done. We built this retaining wall.
We just finished building this retaining wall.
We're going to be tearing all these timbers out all the way down through here, digging 4 foot back, removing all the material and replacing with these blocks we have over here, because these timbers are, as you can tell, they're worn. They've been here for 50 years, I believe, since the house has been built, so they've held up pretty good, but it's time for them to go. You can see it's falling down, so that all that dirt that's back behind it is starting to try to creep out a little bit, so when we get that wall up there, we'll eliminate that, and he'll be able to keep his swimming pool, and it won't be down here where you're at. Very big wall, but I'm impressed in the time frame that we got it done. Come on around to the back here. You remember this little short wall here we started with? This was the first one we done. It turned out real nice. And here's the second one, second wall we did. This one took a little time. We had a lot of step downs in it, step ups in it. Yeah, proud of this job, man. We killed it, the whole crew killed it. Everybody out here, man. And see the final product, man.